Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a real emoji video now. First, open Clips or iMovie and import the footage you'll use. Trim the clip to the moment you want to accent. Make sure the emoji keyboard is active and the specific emoji are copied to notes so you can paste them quickly. Once done, set project orientation and resolution. 16:9 for landscape, square if posting to social. This saves time later and guarantees the emoji size and placement match your final output. Now add emoji as overlays. Paste them into a text title or place sticker elements in clips. Position and scale each emoji so it sits naturally on the subject, and then create motion, either with Clip sticker animation presets or iMovie's picture-in-picture with manual movement across the screen. Make sure to stagger start times so emoji enter and exit cleanly. Use opacity or a brief fade to soften appearance. Keep movements concise so emoji emphasize action rather than distract from it. Finish by playing the full timeline and checking timing against audio cues. Tweak emoji entry points if they feel off. Export using the project's highest resolution and test playback on the target device or app to confirm sizing. If emoji appear pixelated, increase scale at source or export at higher resolution. If they won't animate, replace the sticker with a short animated clip or recreate the motion with additional frames. One key tip: if pasted emoji disappear, recopy from notes and reapply as a fresh overlay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.